Let's imagine this scenario. Let's just say you have $10,000 and you want to turn trading into something more serious, and you don't want it to just be a hobby or just dabbling or just take occasional trades, but potentially a path towards a trading career. How would you approach that? Because this is where expectations become really, really important as new traders. Many people assume $10,000 is enough to generate a full-time income immediately, but in reality, trading careers usually develop in stages. So in this video, I want to walk you through how I would approach trading if I had $10,000 and wanted to build something a bit more sustainable, not just quickly or fast or anything like that, but properly. So the first rule would still be risk management. With a $10,000 trading account, risking 1% means about $100 per trade. That immediately protects the account from large damage. Even with a long losing streak, traders would still leave most of the capital intact. And the reason that matters is because trading careers are long games. Blowing up the account in early days ends your journey. You lose your chips, you lose your chair. Now let's talk about income. If a trader achieved around 5% monthly returns, which is a strong performance, that would equal about $500 per month on a $10,000 account. Now that's not full-time income yet, and this is where a lot of traders become frustrated, but it's also where professional thinking starts, because the goal isn't immediate income for this. The goal is to build a track record, prove to yourself you can do it. Now imagine that the trader continues growing this account really consistently. Profits remain in the account, position size increases gradually, and over time, compounding begins to accelerate the growth. The account grows, trade size grows, returns grow, and this is how a lot of trader careers actually begin. They don't start with massive accounts, but they start with discipline and growth over time. There's also other ways that traders expand capital once they demonstrate consistency. For example, adding savings, investor capital, proprietary trading firms. A lot of professional traders don't start with enormous accounts. They build credibility first, and then the capital follows later on. So if I had $10,000 and I wanted to build a trading career, the goal wouldn't be immediate income for me. The goal would be consistency, get a track record, keep the risk control there. And then once those things exist and they're embedded in your trading routine, scaling becomes much more possible. But without them, larger capital simply leads to larger losses. A $10,000 account can absolutely be the starting point of a trading career, but not in the way a lot of people think. You're not going to be able to extract income immediately. You're going to have to build a process that works, and then you're going to learn how to protect the account and then grow it steadily and prove your consistency over time. Trading careers aren't built from like one big win. They're built from hundreds of disciplined trading decisions. So if you want to stop like putting your finger in the air and, you know, guessing and hoping and maybe having one or two lucky wins, and you want to be consistent and you want to have predictable long-term income in trading, I highly recommend you check out tier1trading.com, where we run a 12-month coaching and mentorship program. It is the best in the world, and it's designed for people who are brand new to trading, just like you, who want to go to elite level, professional level in a 12-month period. So go and check that out. I'll put the links in the description in the pinned comment, and until next time, let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn more about, and I'll see you in the next one.